Oops. So, right now I was playing with a high power resistor to check the current capability of my power source. And oh boy, the terminals of the resistor was touching the heatsink, which I did not notice. So there was a big short circuit. And thankfully I had this small sort of breaker like thing which saved me. Otherwise there might be fire occurring. So, in this video, let's find out how to make such a breaker like thing. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Firstly, I took a relay and soldered an LED to the NC or normally closed terminal of the coil. Next, I soldered another LED to the NO or normally open terminal and soldered the LED's anode to the other LED's anode. Now I am soldering a 1 kilo ohm resistor to the common anode of the LEDs or in between the anodes of both the LEDs to be more simple. Now solder two wires to the two coil terminals of the relay. And also solder another wire on the right sided coil terminal of the relay. Now I'm gonna solder a push button to the common terminal and the left coil terminal of the relay. And it is done. Let's test it. And it works flawlessly. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Maybe also comment. Stay ticked and I will see you in my next video.